Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, we will be talking about Japanese sheet masks. These products are extremely high quality and very affordable too. Now that I have moved to Japan, I have been trying a lot of skincare products, especially the Japanese sheet masks. So I'll be showing you top 5 Japanese sheet masks today. Before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Niti and I make YouTube videos on lifestyle, fashion and beauty like today. If you like to watch such videos, do subscribe to my channel, and if you end up liking this video, please give this video a thumbs up. That would mean a lot. Now let's get back to the video. First mask is Kose Clear Turn Face Mask. This mask has been the #1 mask for many years now. So you know that it has to be the best. This packet contains 50 sheet masks. This pack comes for around 1200 yen, that is around $10. So each sheet in this pack costs you around 20 cents. That's quite reasonable for the quality you are getting. This is how the sheets are packed together inside the packet. Now I'll show you how I apply and how it feels on my skin. The moment you take out the sheet, you know that this face mask is very high quality. You know that they are pretty soaked with the moisturizing serum. For each mask, it can act as a toner, serum, moisturizer, iron mask, cream, and a face pack. It is a great overall mask that has everything in it. It has intensive eye and mouth care to reduce wrinkle and fine lines around those parts of the face. As I'm getting older, I have been getting into anti-aging products a lot. This mask provides anti-aging benefits and moisturizes your skin with hyaluronic acid and collagen. It is free of fragrance and mineral oils. I like to keep this mask on for about 10 minutes and then rub the excess onto my skin. The next mask that we have is the Savarino Night Mask. This pack contains 5 sheets. It comes for 450 yen. It is perfect for those lazy nights when you don't want to follow all the skincare steps and can just use this mask. It contains chamomile extract, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid as moisturizing agents. It also gives you skin firming benefits with vitamin C. This is a 5-in-1 mask. It acts as a toner, emulsion, serum, cream and mask at the same time. I like to keep it next to my bed for a quick application at night. I wash my face and then apply this mask. It is very convenient to use as you just wear it for 60 seconds. Yes, for 60 seconds. I just dab the excess serum onto my face using the sheet itself. I do love this mask, but I don't use it every night because it is too strong for my skin type. But it is a great mask. The next mask that we will be talking about is the Lun face mask in pink. This pack contains 7 sheets for the week. It comes for around 450 yen. It's quite affordable for the quality that you get. This sheet mask helps to maintain the moisture balance of the skin. It contains hyaluronic acid for the moisture. It is one of the best-selling face masks for a good reason. It comes in many different options, so you can choose as per the skin condition. My skin tends to be on a dry side, so I like to use this mask. You can find these in any convenience store or drugstore. They're readily available. The best thing about this mask is that it's designed and formulated for daily use. I leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and it does not have too much serum and it does not leave behind a lot of product. So it's very easy to use and very convenient to use without the mess. Next mask is by Dr. Joe. This box contains 6 sheets. It comes for around 480 yen. That is again very affordable. This mask helps in brighten and hydrate tired and dull looking skin. The key ingredients in this mask helps your skin to have that healthy glow. I leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then pat the extra moisture. It is also recommended for everyday use. It is one of the premium face masks. It contains a whopping 32 ml of essence. I like to use this mask for those days when I have not been able to take care of my skin well for a few days and I need some extra moisture. and some extra care. That's when I love to use this sheet mask. Next mask is the Black Pearl Brightening Mask. This box contains 4 sheets. It comes for $350 and that is very affordable for the quality you are getting. This mask has so many benefits. It helps in hydrating, whitening and brightening your skin. It can be used on any skin type. This product contains black pearl extract. It is rich in vitamin, minerals and amino acids that is a boon for your skin. It rapidly hydrates the tired looking skin and as a result you get refreshed and very hydrated looking skin. This can be used daily, as I said. You should leave this mask minimum of 10 to 12 minutes. For better results, you should leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. This sheet mask is made up of breathable fabric. Now, I like to use this mask only when I have a lot of time and I can pamper myself because it should be applied for 20 to 30 minutes. That is the optimum time that has been mentioned by the brand, and I think that's when you get the optimum results as well. These were the 5 sheet masks that I think are the topmost Japanese sheet masks. If you have any questions regarding these masks, please leave a comment. I would love to answer them. And if you have any Japanese masks that you have tried or you would love to try, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.